Hi, welcome to Canva tutorial. You can access Canva by typing canva.com on your web browser's address bar and hit enter. Now with Canva, you can do so many things. You can do actually anything. Now there are thousands of professional templates that you can get started with. Okay, so here are the examples of templates. There's really lots and lots of them, and it can fit into whatever you need. Okay, so you can explore the templates in a few ways. One of which is you can start by typing the keywords on the search bar. Okay, say for example, you'd like to create a logo or get some ideas on what your logo would look like or the elements of the logo, you can type in logo and press enter. And then you will be presented with templates that has logos. Okay, so you can browse here, or you can click on any of these logos and say do some modification. Okay, so this would really be a very great help. You can browse by document theme. Let's go back there. You can browse by document theme or scroll down the page and be inspired. Okay, so these are the document themes. You have your templates, features, learn, pricing. Here are the document themes. You have social media. You have here, okay. You have events. Okay. Say for example, you'd like to uh, make a poster. So you'd like to try this one out. Say, for example, science posters. Science posters. And then you'll have the result of science posters. Okay. So there really are a lot of things that you can do with Canva and even solicit ideas on how your posters or whatever design you'd like. Okay, you can get a lot of idea here, and you can just freely modify this or edit this. Okay, so anytime you can just type the to narrow down whatever whatever design that you'd like. Okay, so um, aside from that is if you have something specific in mind, say for example a particular size of a document. Let's go back to the main page. Okay, so you can click on custom dimensions. Okay, so from here you can type a specific size. Say for example, let's have inches or yeah, by inches. Say for example 12 inches by uh, a band paper size. Okay, so band paper size is 8.5 8.5 by 11. 8.5 by 11. Create new design, and there you go. You can now create your own from scratch or even use templates that has the same size as what you type. Okay, so from here you can do this from scratch, or you can also just click on any of here. You can still even type the particular template you need. Say for example, wedding program, wedding brochures, or wedding business cards. Say for example, brochures here. So you have examples here. And say you'd like to edit this one, and this comes up here. Okay, and then you can freely edit this. Uh, if you click on the object and properties of that particular object that you click, can be seen here on top. Okay, so um, yeah, that's for if you'd like to do some customizations. Now in the top menu, let's go back to home. Okay, in the top menu, you can discover templates by theme. Okay, say for example here, we did that here actually, but you can actually access it here also. So templates by theme, social media, personal, business, marketing, education, trending, and even more. Okay, so that is how you access them by templates, theme templates. So you can also explore photo and icon libraries, printed products, apps, and even more. Or access a design school where you can learn. This is the design school. Learn. Okay. So here you have your getting started with Canva, designing with Canva, social media marketing, graphics design, branding your business. These are short tutorial courses, and you can even see it here. Courses, tutorials, okay, and even blogs on design, marketing, and branding so that you can get some more ideas to help you with your own design. Okay, so next is the sidebar. This is the sidebar, this part here. You have here recommended for you, all your designs. If you've made some designs for this particular account, a new document, okay, that has the dimensions of 8.5 by 11, 8.5 by 11, yeah, that's the one. And automatically it will be saved here, okay, on all your designs. Okay, so in case you had a power outage and then you were in the middle of something, automatically you don't have to worry about not saving your project because it will be auto saved here, okay, in the on all your designs, okay. And aside from that is here, you can also find it here, all your folders. You have here all your designs shared with you. If you have a teammate or a friend that you'd want to have a collaboration with, okay, you can, all those designs that were shared with you can be found here. In the sidebar, okay, it helps you organize your designs. You'll find all the designs you've created in this tab. Okay, this one here. Okay, so this is what you call the sidebar. This is a quick access. It's like a quick access bar. Okay, and the design shared with you by your team is here, shared with you. Okay, so with the team, it's really easy to create it. You just have to click it and then just add the people you want to design. Of course, they should have had also an account with Canva. Okay, and then assign their role and invite them. Okay, so you will now have a Canva team, Canva design team. Okay, so here also another is in the folders. Okay, you can also create folders here aside from the ones that have been uh, created for you, all your designs shared with you. You can click here, create new folder. Say for example, for science class, science class, or science or physics class. Create folder. Okay, so if you have a team for you to share it with, you can click it here. You can click there, you can type their email addresses here, okay, as their account. And then you have options here to let them just view it, or they may edit it, or they can edit and share it also at the same time. Okay, and then create folder. So if you go back to folders on top, you now have here the physics class on in addition to the ones that were created for you. Okay, so that's with Canvas homepage. Okay, it really makes it easy for you to design so many things. Okay, this is the end of the first part. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.